Edges are basically transition between two shapes or forms or planes. There are three types of edges: hard, soft, and lost edges. Hard edges are visible on objects or subject matter we want to draw when an object ends, boundaries, there is a plane change, or on cast shadows. A hard edge is clean, crisp, and sharp. It can be represented by line or by a change in value. Soft edges are visible on objects or subject matter where there is a subtle transition of value or color, which is usually a transition from light to shadow. It is usually visible in the form shadows, the penumbra of the cast shadow, etc. Lost edges are when you cannot distinguish when one shape or form ends and the other begins. If you have got any value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more.